Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel, friends. If you're not subscribed my YouTube channel yet, do subscribe it today and press the bell icon to receive notification about my new videos. In this video, we will see how to fix if you cannot turn on memory integrity in Windows 11 operating system. So let's get started. So here I am on Windows 11 desktop and you can see that Windows Security has actions recommended. And if I open Windows Security, here under device security, you can see that memory integrity is off and your device may be vulnerable. Go to settings. So when I click on this button, I go to core isolation and then memory integrity. When I try to turn on this option, it first checks for incompatible drivers. After this, it turns on and requires restarting the device to make these changes effective. So when I restart the system and after I log in, and here you can see that there are still actions recommended by Windows Security. So I open Windows Security and again after the reboot, you can see that device security has exclamation mark and memory integrity is still off. This means memory integrity is automatically turned off and not retaining its setting which we turned on before the reboot. So how to fix this problem? Well, here is the solution. In this case, you need to remove the incompatible drivers manually, and for this you have to open your favorite web browser and go to this link to download AutoRuns from sysinternals. The link has been mentioned in the video description, so you can directly use it. So on this device I already have AutoRuns installed, so I will launch it. When AutoRuns window is launched, click on the drivers tab. In few moments you will see the drivers entry being loaded. Here you have to locate the incompatible drivers, and in this case you can see that I have that driver shown in yellow color, or it may also be shown in the red color. All you need to do is right click on these incompatible drivers and you can delete them, or you can also press Ctrl+D by selecting them to delete directly. You can also uncheck the driver entries in order to disable the driver in case if you do not want to delete it. So in this case I am getting a confirmation prompt. I have to click OK in that. After that, access denied error occurs and deleting this entry may require administrative access. So click run as administrator, and after this the incompatible driver will be deleted. You have to perform these similar steps for all the incompatible drivers and remove them. So once you remove all the incompatible drivers, then you can again go to Windows Security and then device security and go to settings and then turn on the memory integrity. It will still check for incompatible drivers, and after that the setting will be turned on, and then you have to reboot the system to make changes effective. So once again after restarting the system, we will check if the memory integrity is still on. So here you can see that the device security no longer has exclamation mark, and if we go to core isolation, you can see that the memory integrity is now on and remaining on even after reboot. And that's it for now in this video. Thanks for watching it. If you found it helpful, do like it, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos.